Gulf Island's National Seashore preserves natural and historic resources on 7 barrier islands of Florida and Mississippi. We were on Santa Rosa Island in the Fort Pickens area. The fort was constructed by slave labor using 21.5 million bricks. It was completed in 1834 and remained in use until 1947. Fort Pickens is the northern terminus of the 1,300-mile-long Florida Trail. A shortage of maintenance personnel and Florida's lengthy growing season had allowed vegetation to encroach on the trail, and we were tasked to double its width. Much of the trimming was with hand tools, but we also had gas-powered trimmers, which allowed us to accomplish even more work. This was the narrowest section we came upon, and hikers were being brushed by the vegetation on both sides, so we're widening the trail. This clip will give you an idea of just how much wider we made the trail after our week's work. Half of our crew spent a few days brushing back encroaching vegetation at the Visitor Center and Administration Building on Gulf Breeze Island. On the second day, we discovered that the overnight rain had flooded several low sections of the trail, so we used gravel to rebuild those sections.
Looking good.
Accommodations for the week were in the captain's house. We had 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a parlor with fireplace, and a full kitchen with 2 refrigerators. And our crew leader, Linda, a fantastic cook, did all the cooking for us. It was wonderful. After our final workday, we all headed to the beautiful white sand beach for a relaxing happy hour. And here's the whole crew. Oh yeah, the sunsets over the Gulf were pretty spectacular too.